Hello, all the CA final students. This is CA Kaushik Mukesh, and today I am here to share a very good news with all of you. 90% of the today's AFM paper, that is the May 2025 CA final AFM paper, 90% of the questions, okay, except two questions, 90% of the question paper are a direct replica of the questions which we are already having in our handbook and which are collected from various ICA sources, being the study material, RTP, MTP, and the past examination questions. And time and again, I've been telling in the classes that don't do any book, okay, other than this handbook. Once you complete the handbook, you do thousands of books you want, but do the handbook properly because it's a compilation of 431 the best picked questions for your examination. So it is tried and tested over a time, and it is proved again, and again that questions will come from the handbook directly. And here is the proof. And by the way, this video is not for those who have attempted the exam. Don't waste your time. You continue with your audit paper. I'm talking about the persons who are going to write for the September examinations or who are planning to take the classes for the Jan exams or even 4th. Okay. You can see there. Okay. So you can see the screen now. First one. This question following is the data relating to PQR Limited. Current dividend 3.5, cost of equity 12.5, growth rate 2%. Calculate the price of the share. Is it overvalued? Like that he asked. Same. Current dividend 2.5, here 3.5, 10.5, 12.5, 2%, 2%. Calculate the present value, price of the stock. If it is 45, 8% and 2.75. If it is 35, 9%, 2.25. That's it. Same question, numbers change. 6 marks. Next, EVA problem. With the help of the following information, calculate EVA. You can see the question paper also. I'm not doing any kirkiri here. Okay. Direct question paper I kept. Like this I have done for the last attempt and the last attempt as well. Last 3 attempts I have done like this. Every time, immediately after the exam, I will put the question paper, I will put the handbook. All the 3 attempts if you take. First time, 71 marks came from the material. Next, last attempt, previous attempt, 76 marks came. Now 91 marks came from the material. You can see average 70 marks. You can take that. It will come from the handbook properly if you do that. Okay, listen to the classes, do the problems, you will do the best. See here. This is the next question. Equity share capital 100 lakhs, reserves and surplus, all these things are given. He is asking us to calculate EVA. See, equity share capital 100, 160, 200, 140, 10% debentures, here 400 lakh, cost of equity 15, 14, leverage 1.5, 1.5, tax rate 25, 30. That's it. Remaining is same. 4 marks. So 10 marks direct first. Okay. MCQs all came from the material directly. That 30 marks I'm not talking. There 27 marks came from the material. Okay. This is a general theory question on forex hedging. Very easy. If an importer is there, what kind of risk he is subjected to? Okay, he is having a money market risk. He is having a forex risk. General theory question. Next. Security standard deviation weights. He is asking calculate the standard deviation of the portfolio. Same. This one. Okay. Here I have given returns also. Sorry. Here I have given returns also in my question. There in the exam he did not ask return. He asked only risk. So that's the 3 columns. 15, 20, 0.4. Same. Numbers change. Concept is same again. Next, this one. This one is a mix of 2 questions. One is a forward hedging and leading lagging. Those who have taken the recent EOB batch. This question I have taken from study material, I taught. Because in my book, similar question is there, not the same question. This is the similar question. If you do this, you can do this just like that. So leading lagging with the forex hedging. Simple question. That's why they given for 4 marks. Next, CFO role. Directly from the financial policy and corporate strategy. From there, direct question came in my theory booklet, 40 pages theory booklet I shared. In that, this question is there. Next, this is one question where similar question came, not the same. Okay, 6 marks question. Same, here 70 lakhs, here 8 lakhs. If you observe here, real cash flows 25 lakh, real cash flows 2 lakh 80. Inflation 6%, inflation 3.2%, Life here 5 years. Life here is 4 years. Calculate in real terms. Calculate in real terms. Similar question. If you do this, you can do this very easily. Next. This is from the bond valuation chapter. Mr. X has excess cash of 50 lakh. Okay. Expenditure 1 lakh 25. Yield is 9%. Like this, I ask the question. Same ditto question. 50 lakhs, 20 lakh. 1 lakh 25 expenditure, 50,000 expenditure. 9% yield, 9% yield. 5% pre-tax, 5% pre-tax. Same question. 4 marks again. 6, 4, 10 again. Weak form of efficiency, efficient market theory. In my Telegram group already I shared security analysis chapter. In that clearly I have written these notes. Prepare properly and go to exam, I said. If you don't prepare, that's not my mistake. So clearly I said, efficient market, weak form of efficiency. This area he tested in examination for 4 marks. Answer is over. Next. Ditto question again. This is a company which is developing a software. See, manpower cost, administration cost. Okay, all these things are given. Same question. Rent, manpower cost, administration cost. Here also. Manpower cost, administration cost. Same. Okay. Next. This is a simple question. Directly came from the material. This is the question from the mergers. Simple question, 4 marks. Next. Direct theory question on tokenization in the securitization chapter. Next one. Again same. 5th question in the examination paper for 7 marks now. Okay. See here. Portfolio appreciation income from April, May, June. April, May, June. That's why in my study material, which question also I gave here. That's why I directly copied and pasted, or else student will think, sir, you might have fabricated your questions. No. That's why in my theory handbook, whatever the question representing it, also I have given there. Okay. Portfolio value, income of April, May, June, income of April, May, June, income available for distribution, issue price, repurchase, income available for distribution, issue price, repurchase price, NAV on 30th June, NAV on 30th June, numbers change, question is same. Next. This is the only new question that came here. Okay. This question is very, very easy. I have already solved the answer also for this. Tomorrow I will give the answers for that. Okay. So tomorrow I will give answers for all these questions. This question is very, very easy. The only thing is, this is a mix of all the concepts. Okay. This question is targeting on PE multiple and also cash flow analysis. Very, very easy if you try. Next. 7 marks, another question from derivative futures now. Okay. Remember, 1st January, 2nd January, 3rd January, 4th January, 5th January. Margin account he is asking us to prepare. 7 marks question. Okay. Initial margin 10%, maintenance margin 80%. The same question. Numbers change, dates change. All January, this all November. 5 days, here also 5 days. Here amounts are in thousands, here amounts are in normal numbers. Okay. So everything is same. So see here, initial margin, maintenance margin, directly amounts they have given, 800 per contract like that. Here percentage they have given. Next. This is a new question here. I should agree and admit that this is a new question. It came from interest rate futures and interest rate calls. Okay, interest rate options they call. Okay, this is the only new question that has come. So technically in this total paper, around 12 marks came new. Which student has to try in the exam hall and do? Remaining, do the handbook twice before going to exam. Success will be yours. You will definitely get 70 plus in the exam. 70 plus is my guarantee. Do handbook properly. Do the additional questions I give properly. Totally 471 questions, 473 questions I gave. 431 direct questions. Extra questions also I given. Do that properly. Success will be yours. 70 plus is guaranteed. Clear? Thank you very much. Those who are planning to write for the September Jan examination. Again and again I have been telling you. Please do the handbook properly. Listen to the lectures. Do the handbook properly. Success guaranteed. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. All the best.